Hey, this is Rick with Arizona Urban Farms. We're hanging out today in the little orchard. There are 4 apple trees out here, and they've just they've just been neglected. And that's to no one's, that could just be ignorance. People just saw they had apple trees and didn't understand maintenance, or perhaps did understand maintenance and chose not to, because it's some work. It takes a little thinking, but the cool thing for us is we have an opportunity to see what's going on. Look at the damage. These trees. Oh, I think they're all like this. This is my first time out here. Yeah, look at that trunk. I'm ignorant here. I'm going to have to research this. But these trees have to be like buku years old. Yeah, look at all that. It's really weird. Bug, beetle, perhaps the bark. I don't know. I'm ignorant. I will learn though, and I'll update you. But if you know, shoot me a comment down below in the thread, and let's start a discussion. Oh, this is going to be fun. We'll get this center cleared out in there. Good picking lanes. We'll look for new growth in the leaves. Is there new growth? Like, this is a good sign. That's a good sign. There's still life getting out to the end. And we'll clean up all the dead stuff. We'll mulch it. We just got done. There's 4 piles of mulch in here. That's the last of the 3 that we're going to be creating raised beds over here. This whole south side of the property over here is going to be all climbers. We're going to try and seed loofah inside and see if we can get loofah to grow up here in this climate. It's a very short grow. It's a very short grow season. And then you got this one here. I mean, look at these, have coexisted. Like, look at this. Big pine tree is right in the midst. Right in the middle. Of this tree. Yeah. And we're in the process of going through and, oh yeah, look at this. Look at all of those. Really unique. Yeah, see here? That's fresh. There we go. Found them. So this is okay. We've got after and during. They're just really starting to bore in there. So I get to research this and find out how I help this tree thrive and what kind of treatments we can do, and also plant around here so that there are beneficials that will eat whatever is causing that. All right, everybody, enough. I'm going to get going. I've got to get the chainsaw, my nippers, pruners, my tools, and start pruning this stuff down. Take care and have yourself a great day.